Welcome to the Drama Department's AS and A-Level course Introduction. Whilst studying drama and theatre studies, you will enrich and develop knowledge, understanding and skills in practical and performing work. You will also research and evaluate your own work, as well as researching the influence of playwrights and practitioners. Studying drama will provide a suitable basis for studying drama or a relevant course for a university degree or training at a college of drama. You will have the opportunity to learn and develop a range of transferable skills and will learn to practice applying these skills to new situations. Skills such as analytical skills, problem solving, organisational and time management skills. You shall work together to generate, develop and communicate ideas, all of which will develop your emotional intelligence. Your practical skills will be refined and you will demonstrate creativity, reflection and resilience, as well as developing confidence and strong presentation skills. Your analytical and creative written skills, as well as your ability to self-reflect, will be developed through a variety of tasks. The course will be divided into 4 units. In Year 12, Unit 1 and Unit 2, and in Year 13, Unit 3 and Unit 4. In Unit 1, Theatre Workshop, learners will be assessed on either their acting or design skills. Learners will participate in the creation, development and performance of a piece of theatre based on a reinterpretation of an extract from a text. The piece must be developed using the techniques and working method of either an influential theatre practitioner or a recognisable theatre company. For example, this year's students chose to reinterpret the drama Mabiling Burung Bronco and by using Frantic Assembly as our recognised theatre company. Learners must produce a realisation of the performance or design, a creative log and an evaluation. This unit is a non-exam assessment, internally assessed and externally moderated. In Unit 2, Text in Theatre, learners will read and study one of Arthur Miller's most famous plays, A View from the Bridge. In this written examination, learners must demonstrate their knowledge and understanding of this play from the perspective of an actor, director and designer. In Unit 3, Text in Action, learners will once again be able to demonstrate their practical skills, whether that be acting or design. This time, learners participate in the creation, development and performance of 2 pieces of theatre based on a stimulus supplied by WJEC. The first will be a devised piece using the techniques and working methods of either an influential theatre practitioner or a recognised theatre company, and the second will be an extract from a text in a different style. Learners must realise their performance live for the visiting examiner, and they must produce a process and evaluation report within 1 week of completion of the practical work. In Unit 4, Text in Performance, learners must read and study not 1 but 2 dramas this time, Unos Ola Leuad by Caradog Pritchard and Sweeney Todd by Stephen Sondheim. In this written exam, once again, learners must be able to demonstrate their knowledge and understanding of both texts from the perspective of an actor, director and designer. What next? Well, the possibilities are endless. As I said at the beginning, studying drama will develop so many skills that employers, colleges and universities are looking for. It could also lead you to international opportunities and networking around the globe. Some students also go on to study at the most prestigious colleges and conservatoires of the country, such as RADA, Guildhall, Royal Central School of Speech and Drama, and the Royal Welsh College of Music and Drama. Many students go on to have very successful careers as actors, directors, set designers, light designers, sound designers, costume designers and makeup artists. And others go on to universities in order to study various subjects such as teaching, law, publishing, politics and so on. Thank you very much for listening, and I look forward to welcoming you to the department in September.